Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford Stroker 425 horsepower engine for our customer's 1985 Mustang GT. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the 347 Ford Stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted the Ford red. We have the brass freeze plugs in there. Proper oil pan for the Fox body Mustang. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the brand new fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines. Distributor set in place, MSC ignition coil. It's real nice 347 Stroker valve covers with the 13-inch Mustang low profile air cleaner for hood clearance. We have the Holley 650 CFM double pumper carburetor in there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the dipstick and tube, Taylor ignition wires in red with all the wire markers all set. We have the Ford Racing billet steel 28-ounce standard flywheel. All the clutch pins are installed, pilot bearings installed. We will be installing the starter index plate to the customer. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed, any vacuum hookups, heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve. This is the black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit. AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner. Correct lower hose location for the 85 Mustang on the driver's side. Standard rotation high flow black water pump. Thermostat housings on there, high flow thermostat, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator. We have the proper power steering pressure valve in there for the rack and pinion steering for the 85 Mustang. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 347 Ford Stroker 425 horsepower engine with the AFR heads, roller cam for the 85 Mustang GT Fox body. Thanks for watching.